Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today we are going to discuss one of the important problem in keys. Okay, how to design keys. There are some standard proportions are there. Already we know that there are some types of keys are there. Okay, next we know that proportions of sunk key, proportions of gear-headed key, proportions of spline shafts. Okay, today we are going to discuss one of the important problem, that is a 40 mm diameter 40 mm diameter shaft is subjected to tangential force of 20 kilonewtons around the circumference. Determine size of keys, nothing but determine keys dimensions, width, thickness, length, these are dimensions. That's why determine the size of keys. Okay, next the allowable shear stress is in key is 460 Newton per mm square. In this question, determine size of keys. Then our given data is diameter of shaft 40 mm, next load 20 kilonewtons, next shear stress is tau is equal to 60 newtons per mm square. First of all, write down given data. In this given data, diameter of the shaft 40 mm. Okay, next load is denoted by P is equal to 20 kilonewtons. Okay, 20 kilonewtons converted into newtons, then 20 into 10 to the power of 3 newtons. Okay, next shear stress is denoted by tau is equal to 60 newtons per mm square. Okay, next find out the width. In our keys proportions, we want to find out determine the size of the keys. Then determine the size of keys. Then we want debl means width, thickness denoted by T, length. Find out these three. Okay, then first one we know that diameter, then find out the debl, width of key is denoted by debl is equal to proportions. Standard proportions are there. In standard proportions, debl is equal to small d by 4. Okay, small d by 4. Then substitute diameter of the shaft, small d is equal to 40 by 4. Okay, then debl is equal to 4 1 ja 10 ja. Then 10 mm width of the key. Okay, width of the key. Next find out the thickness of key. Thickness of the key, thickness of key is denoted by T is equal to small d by 6. These are standard proportions, small d by 6. Substitute d is equal to 40 by 6. Okay, this key thickness is equal to, answer is 6.67 mm is equal, T is equal to approximately 7 mm. Okay, next find out the considering shear strength of key. Considering of shear strength of key. Okay, using this one, our formula is force F is equal to debl into L into shear stress. Okay, debl already we know that debl is equal to width is equal to 10 mm. Okay, then shear stress is equal to, already we know that in our given data 60 newtons per mm square. Next, find out using this one, find out L. Then L is equal to F by W into shear stress. Okay, shear stress. Force, like this is load, force nothing but load. Okay, load is this, L is equal to, or we know that in our given data 20 into 10 to the power of 3. Force nothing but P, load. Okay, that is also load. Write down load, force or load. Okay, then 20 into 10 to the power of 3 by W is equal to 10 mm. W is equal to 10 mm. Shear stress is equal to 60. Shear stress is equal to 60. Okay, next find out this L using your calculus. L is equal to approximately 34 mm. L is equal to 34 mm. These are standard proportions. We are find out design of key sizes using standard proportions. Okay, going to the second question in keys. Okay, in this question, find out design a rectangular sunk key. Design a rectangular sunk key for a shaft of 60 mm diameter. 60 mm diameter. The permissible shear stress 35 newtons per mm square and compression stress is 75 Newton per mm square. In this one, our given data is D. Diameter of the shaft is equal to 60 mm. Next, shear stress is equal to permissible shear stress is equal to 35 Newton per mm square. Next, compression stress is denoted by sigma T. C is equal to 75 Newton per mm square. Okay. Next, find out the T. Find out the T. T means torque. Torque transmitted. Torque transmitted is denoted by T is equal to torque transmitted. T is equal to formula pi d cube by 16 using tau. Pi d cube by 16. Okay. In this one, we know that D is already we know that, and tau is also we know that. D is equal to 60, tau is equal to 35. Then substitute 60 and 35. D into 60 square by 16 into 35. Okay. Using this one, find out torque. Torque is equal to 1483650 Newton mm. Okay, this is torque. Next, find out sizes of keys. Sizes is the heading, sizes of key. Okay, in this sizes of key, first of all find out the width. Width W is equal to D by 4. W is equal to T by 4. Thickness is denoted by T is equal to D by 6. Using this one, find out the W and T. D is equal to 60 by 4. Then D is equal to 15 mm. Okay. Next, D is equal to 60 by 6 is equal to 10 mm. Okay. 6 10 4 15. Okay. Then W is equal to 15 mm. T is equal to thickness is equal to 10 mm. Okay. Write down this way here. W is equal to 15 mm. Width, thickness, T is equal to 10 mm. Okay. Next, find out the L. How to find out L? Using considering shear strength. Consider shear strength. Considering shear strength, formula considering shear strength, T is equal to formula, T is equal to W into L. T is equal to W into L into D by 2 into tau. We are considering shear strength. Using this one, find out the L. Then L is equal to 2 into T, 2T by W D tau. Okay, substitute T, W, D tau values. T already we know that. T is equal to 2 into T is equal to 1483650 by W. W is equal to 15 into 60 into tau is equal to 35 mm. 35 Newton per mm square. 35. Okay, using calculus find out L. L is equal to approximately, in our textbook, L is equal to 94.2 mm. Okay, this is a considering shear strength. Next, coming to the considering crushing strength. Crushing strength. Considering crushing strength, in this considering crushing strength, L is equal to direct formula, L is equal to 4T by T into sigma C into D. Using this one, find out the again L. L is equal to 4, T is equal to 1483650 by T is equal to 10 into tau sigma C is equal to 75 into D is equal to 60. Using this one, find out the L. L is equal to C here. In this formula, we substituted W value, but in this one, thickness value. Okay, L is equal to, using your calculus, find out L is equal to 131, approximately 131.88 mm. Okay, this is a L using crushing strength. Okay, there are two strengths. One is a shear strength, crushing strength. First of all, find out the shear strength. After that, find out the crushing strength. Okay, these are sizes of the keys. Okay, thank you.